Good morning, everybody. It's really windy today. It's Sunday, and this is my Sunday morning nature walk. Yeah, I wore my cap today. See, the sun is trying to come out over there. Yeah, but I come to do my little walk. Yeah, I don't do them Saturdays anymore. I'm gonna stick to Sundays for my walk. Yeah. But there's still lots of snow around. See the path? There's still lots of ice and snow, and you have to be careful still. Yeah, you don't want to slip. No. Yeah. I didn't realize how windy it was. It's still a little bit chilly. Yeah. But it's not cold. No. Just a little bit. Oh, there's the sun peeking out. You see it? It's coming out. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice day if it'll warm up a little bit. Yeah, little bit cold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And the river there, it's still opening up. Yeah, from being so warm. Or not warm, but warm enough. See over there? See where it's opening? Yeah, it's opening up there a little bit. Yeah. There's this skidoo path down there to the river, but I don't want to walk down there. No. Too dangerous. Yeah. Yeah. What if it's open water? So you have to stay away from the open water. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I don't see anybody again. No. Just me on my favorite path. Excuse me. There's the sun behind me trying to come out. There's the houses and all that. Yeah. And the other side is the river bank. Yeah. Look how red my ear got already. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. Walking and talking, rambling, see what I could see. Yeah. There's still going to be lots of snow still. For probably about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yeah, that's the see how windy it is? I blew my my hood over my head. Yeah, I'm coming up to the opening there, so I can show you the river again. How much it's opening up. You can see the trees moving and all that. That's how kind of windy it is. But if you can get out and walk and enjoy life while you still can, yeah, just come out. I can't wait till it's spring. Yeah, spring, summer. Yeah, spring. I can't wait till spring. then I could walk anywhere. I don't have to walk on the path. I could go exploring, yeah, see what I can see in the trees, and see what kind of animals I can see and all that stuff. Yeah, it'd be nice. Yeah. It'd be nice to see when it warms up. Oh yeah, there's quite a bit of open water now. Yeah, it opened up lots. Yeah, I'll just show you fast how much water it opened up. Yeah. I'm gonna walk just about to the river bank. Yeah, not very much, no. Oh yeah, it's getting wet out there on the ice and that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll switch it a little bit. So I can show you the open water and that. See all the open water? Yeah. Yeah, there's the bridges, and all the open water. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah. There's a tower. Yeah, tower. Kind of looks like from Star Wars. One of those towers, yeah. But it's a pretty big tower. Holy, there's lots of stuff on it. I didn't realize how much stuff is on the tower. And there's the top, very top of the tower. Yeah. And here's the open water again. Open water. I'll pat it over there. And then there's another tower way over there. Power tower, I guess. Yeah. Oh, it's windy. Yeah, you can hear the wind. Yeah, that's a pretty big tower. And there's back to me. Yeah, back to me. I'm gonna keep walking. Enjoy my walk. Yeah, that was interesting looking at that tower. Yeah, how many things are on the tower? Around. Must be little weather stuff, or I don't know, satellites. Yeah, just little things, yeah. That was neat. I never looked at it before, no. I passed it lots of times. I never looked at that tower. Oh, I'm getting a little sniffle. Oh, just your nose runs when it's kind of chilly. Not cold, it's just windy. Windy today. There, that's better. Oh, my ears just red, my face, and this little bit of wind. So I wore my cap again, my baseball cap. I didn't wear a toque today, but I wore my gloves. Yeah, so I knew it was going to be a little windy. Yeah. Huh. Seems nicer on the path today. Yeah. Yeah, there's not as much garbage or anything on the path. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, yeah, it's nice. Oh, the church looks nice. The hospital looks nice today. Yeah. Flag is flying in front of me. And there's a flag on the hospital too. Yeah. I'll switch it to the front pretty soon. I'll just show the front view again. Yeah. I thank you for who watches me on YouTube. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to me too. Yeah. Thank you. Just checking around. Yeah. Might be a moose or a deer, or maybe even a wolf. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Just checking. Yeah, I'm gonna go over the bridge now. Yeah, these branches are making a weird noise. Yeah, still lots of ice, but be careful. Yeah, because if you fall, there's nobody here to help you out. You have to help yourself up. You don't want to break anything. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you always have to be careful, yeah. Be careful. Oh, I see a couple of crows. Oh, I don't see any. Oh, I see a... Wait, I'll switch it. I see this. A piece of pizza. See? Piece of pizza, and they ate all the toppings on the pizza. Left the crust. Must have been a bird. Yeah. Yeah, eating a pizza and leaving the crust. But there's the pizza box. See the pizza box? Empty pizza box. And the slice of pizza with all the toppings eaten off of it. Isn't that... Yeah, it must have been birds eating that. Yeah. Yeah. They just ate all the toppings from that one slice of pizza. Left the crust. Yeah. Left the box. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Looking around. Just looking around. Nothing to see, but no. Nothing to see yet. All the trees are still frozen. There's too much snow still. Yeah. But winter's not over here. Might be snow next week or a couple weeks. Yeah, when you're living in Canada, it's too, the weather can change just like that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting the bridges. But I showed you the bridges before, yeah. We see the bridges. Yeah. So I'm gonna go under the bridge. Yeah, there I go. Under the bridge. There we go. Yeah, it's icy under here too. There's the train bridge I'm going under. You see it? There, past the train bridge. Now I'm going under the regular bridge, the car bridge. There's lots of ice under here, but there we go. There. Going under the bridge, the regular bridge. Yeah. And then I'm gonna keep walking on the path. Yeah. There's the river. I'm on the other side now. Yeah. It's a windy day. Wind, wind, wind. Where is it? There's the flag. There's our Canadian flag. I always have to show that. Yeah, on the big pole. There's the church behind it. There's me. Yeah. Continue walking with it. Just continue. Yeah, it's pretty cold. Or windy. Oh, geez. Oh, lots of ice. I just fell there. I was watching the camera, not watching the ice. See how much ice? Oh, you can't really see. But look at how much ice is here. See? Just pure ice. See? It's pure ice. It's all frozen, see? Pure ice on the path. Oh. There's the Skidoo Trail. Yeah, hard it is. Gonna walk through the ice. Slippery. Yeah, that ice is pretty slippery. Oh, and it's windier. Getting windier. Holy smokes. Wind, wind, wind. Yeah, I'm just gonna go up to there. That's my video for today. Yeah. Short walking video today. Or it's not that short. No, for me, but I'm gonna continue walking. Yeah, it is windy. I'll walk for a couple more minutes. Oh, geez. Yeah, windy. I'll show you the view again. See, that's a nice view, hey? Yeah, I went all the way around. It's a panoramic view. Yeah, just showing you everything. Yeah, I think it's too windy to keep making my walk. I'll just show you this thing up ahead, and then that will be my video for today. Yeah, I didn't see very much. I seen a pizza box and a pizza crust. Yeah, not too much to see on the path today, or this Sunday. Yeah. There. So I'm gonna go just to go show you this thing here. It's just some rocks. It used to be a monument quite a while ago. It's pretty tall. Yeah, it's been here a long time. Long time it's been here. And it's oh, it's got a plaque too. Henry Kelsey, 1667 to 1724. Oh, Hudson Bay Company, see? Hudson Bay, Henry Kelsey. It's pretty tall too. Yeah. I'll stand on it. Yeah. Oops. There I am. There. I'm on the Henry Kelsey Memorial, I guess. Alright, that'll be my walk for today. Okay. Thanks for watching, whoever watches. Okay, bye. Bye.